My name's Daniel Powell. I'm with Jakar Audio, and I got a 1986 Chevy long bed pickup. I'm running 3 custom electric 390 billets. I've got 190 amp hours of limitless lithium. Got 3 crossfire XS 8k's at a half ohm apiece. I've got 12 DC XL Elites with an extra spider and a 2-to-1 6th order. I've got 4 DD VOW 12's on a crossfire 2000.4. I've got the compression horns on each mid on a crossfire 800.4. I put all the wood grain and everything, the cedar and the pine and everything, mainly just because I wanted it to be different and I want it to look good and as good as it sounds or better. It probably took me about 2 years total since I've started this build to get the dash, the firewall, the console, the floor, all the cabin mods, the build braced up. Once I started adding power, I needed bracing. The doors gave me fits, so we're going in and extreme everything. I've probably got 300 hours or better in just the enclosure and all the stuff we've done. So 22 ain't the one. Oh.
With the wrong one, you fucking with the wrong one. You pink if you with that nigga get a home run. Watch him hit it, it's a home run. I ain't playing with you niggas. Louis Vuitton, the real estate or credit for them niggas if they got me. I'm flipping up, so it's a money count. I've been getting up, I pay myself a lot. Been playing on the show, like Dave on Chappelle. Play like a motherfucker. Hey.
Somebody else tell me that same thing.
I'm serious.
Somebody else told me the same thing.
I just ate them nachos.
Somebody told me the same thing. They said, man, if you'd have left it up any longer, I would have thrown up.
Bro, my eyes are watering. God damn.
Fuck the place up, fuck the place up, fuck the place up, fuck the place up, fuck the place up.
This is for the soul.